Hello, Susiekins and Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me as a head of the sushi buffet, and I am your Swapple Sushi. Alright guys, welcome back to another Feel today guys. Alrighty, so my mom and my dad actually made this channel. This is a creamy pasta pesto shaken pasta dish. It would be good or not? I thought it was good. It would be good or not, I don't know. So let me sit up here. It's this. It would be amazing. And I don't know if it's good or not. And shout out to my parents and also Maggie and other group with Kayla, Emma, Ryan, Cole, Sauce Storno, Carol, Dylan. If you guys watch this, you guys in luck because I'm eating this, boys. It'll be amazing. I'll eat this, so let's go. Alrighty. Let's step in here. This is sushi, yeah. This is his taste. Wait, look at you. So delicious. It's so smooth. And that is it, guys, here because of you guys. But that is it, guys, here. We can more episodes to come back to do it. Also, anything my stuff on my second channel, you can check it out anyway. And I wasn't in case you have a couple. Wasn't very TV show / movie on here. Please comment below. But after those guys, that's my Wallow and my Prime. It's the news. I got a newest Prime WWE guys. We need to sponsor me, please. But afterwards, that is it, guys here. So thank you for watching all the videos and vlogs with my boys on that Basement Soa. If he is watching this, you can sub a like, comment, and subscribe, and join on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, Wizard Cannibals, WWE Sub, West End, and one more. Sponsor me on this YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel, and this is really just you, please. And please, share to your family and your friends, and please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter /X. And every time with that, we have a possible discussion on the Sushi channel. Sushi, yeah, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi Ahoy, Sushi, 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 Sushi,